In 2025, the device that defined an entire generation, the smartphone, is facing a slow and quiet death. Yes, that's right, the very object you're probably holding right now, the iPhone or Android that once seemed untouchable, is being overshadowed by a new wave of tech. Apple Vision Pro, Meta's AI wearables, humane AI pins, AI-powered earbuds, and voice-first assistants are making people wonder, do we really need a screen anymore? And the craziest part? It's not some sci-fi prediction, it's already happening. What used to be your most prized device is now becoming your least efficient one. Typing, swiping, unlocking, tapping, all of it is slowly being replaced with gestures, voice commands, holograms, and virtual screens floating in thin air. The shift began subtly. People wanted faster, smarter interactions. Enter AI. In 2023, ChatGPT cracked open what was possible with AI conversations. By 2025, that power is now built directly into devices that don't even look like phones. The humane AI pin, for instance, doesn't have a screen. It lives on your shirt, projects onto your hand, and uses voice to do everything, from texting your friends to translating languages in real time. No swiping, no screen addiction. It knows your context, your schedule, your tone, and even your health stats, all in real time. This is the future that Silicon Valley is betting on. And then there's Apple. The company that revolutionized phones might actually be the one to kill them. With Vision Pro and Apple Intelligence updates, the iPhone is becoming less of a centerpiece and more of a background node in a bigger, wearable ecosystem. Instead of unlocking a phone, you'll soon wear your entire computing experience. Eye tracking, hand gestures, voice prompts, it's all merging into a seamless, screen-free world. And while Apple is still selling millions of iPhones, the real R&D dollars are now moving toward spatial computing, AI agents, and wearable experiences. It's not about screens anymore, it's about presence. But will the masses really give up their phones? That's the big question. Right now, most people still cling to their iPhones and Androids for comfort. It's a habit formed over 15 years, but look closer and you'll see a shift in behavior. People are using Siri and Google Assistant more than ever, not because they're suddenly smarter, but because AI has made them feel human. Voice interfaces have become conversational. You don't have to talk like a robot to get what you want. You just ask, and it's done. And when that AI starts proactively helping you, like reminding you to drink water, suggesting what to eat based on your blood sugar, or automatically rescheduling meetings you forgot, do you still want to go back to your phone? And that brings us to the workplace. Professionals, creatives, coders, even executives are switching to heads-up displays, virtual desktops, and AI dashboards they control with voice and gestures. In a world where AI can build your entire presentation, write your reports, and handle emails with just a prompt, the smartphone becomes more like a slow middleman. It's useful, but not necessary. The need for a traditional app grid vanishes. Your interface becomes your surroundings. Your AI becomes your co-pilot. The phone becomes invisible. So, is this the end of the iPhone? Maybe not tomorrow, but it's already becoming the second best way to get things done. And that's how revolutions start. Not with a bang, but with a better way. Apple, Google, Meta, they're all racing to invent the next interface. And you know what they're saying in those billion-dollar boardrooms? Whoever replaces the smartphone will own the future. It's not about a new screen, it's about removing the screen entirely. If you're still thinking your smartphone is the peak of tech, it's time to look again. The future is here, and it's wearable, voice-powered, and context-aware. The question isn't whether the iPhone will die. The question is, will you even notice when it does? Hit that like button if this future blows your mind. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech stories, and drop a comment. Are you ready to ditch your smartphone for an AI assistant that lives on your wrist, ear, or chest? Or are you still loyal to the home screen? Let's talk below.